How to make money easily on TEMU. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to launch your TEMU application. But if you don't have one, then you have to go to your Google Play Store and then look for TEMU here, type, and then install this application. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. So once done, here it is. What you're going to do is to go to U, tap U here. Now, once you are on you just have to simply scroll down and look for settings. And then under settings, you have to scroll down and look for country and region and switch this to United States. Okay, tap United States. Now, as you can see here, country changed successfully. Now, what you're going to do is to go back to you again and then tap earn credits and free gifts. Because you have changed your country, then you can see this feature. And then choose any of the following here, but this time let me tap redeem cash. Okay, so you can redeem this to your PayPal. What you're going to do is to simply tap get now. Okay, once you tap get now, this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to click start. So once you tap start here, in order to redeem cash on Temu, you have to follow their instruction first, and that is to refer this application to your friends. You can copy the code, you can copy the link, and share it to any of your friends on your social media accounts. Okay, so let me tap code. So this is your code, and then all you have to do is to copy code, and then you can now paste it to any of your social media account for your messenger, send it to your friends, and your friends will click Timo or download Timo, and then they just have to enter your code here. And then once they have installed and use Timo using your code, then you will get your reward. Okay, so that's how easy it is to make money easily on Timo. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.